Hey everybody, my name is Tyson. I'm here with the Collector Car Network showing you a very cool car here on the showcase in the South Showcase at the Barrett-Jackson Collector Car Auction in Scottsdale, Arizona. Sitting in front of me right now is lot number 327. This is a cool car for anybody who in the early 90s was a car obsessed kid. This is a poster car for many of us. It's a 94 Dodge Viper RT10 Roadster. So anybody who's followed the Viper and its history remembers that the first iteration of the Viper came out in 1991. It was called the SR1. That vehicle was truly an engineering marvel. It was a totally raw sports car that had really no creature comforts. It had no air conditioning, no analog brakes, no traction control. It didn't even have exterior door handles. So this car was engineered for sheer driving enjoyment, and I can only imagine how it drives. I've never had the chance to drive a Viper before, but underneath this hood, which you see is a very cool front hinged front clip, is a massive 8-liter V10 engine. It's pumping out 400 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. And sending all that power to the rear wheels is a Borg-Warner 6-speed manual transmission. So the Viper is a forever American favorite. This one comes with a color match hardtop. It also has some soft zip-in side windows that, in case you ever did want to take this thing in inclement weather, heaven forbid. But it does have a 0 to 60 time of 4.6 seconds, max speed of 165. This is a clean Carfax car and incredibly well kept condition for. Hard to believe though, can you believe this car is 30 years old this year? I don't look at this car and think that it's a 94, but it definitely is. And it's gonna go to a lucky new home this week here in Scottsdale. So I can't wait to see how it does.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.